Which can we use, whom or 분, to say minute? Answer the question, part 5. First of all, I'll show you the important time phrases. Hour and o'clock, we say ji in Japanese. Minute, we say fun or pun. And second, we say byo. I received the question, which can we use whom or pum to say the English word minute? First, I'll show you the example used whom. How can we say 5:15 in Japanese? 5時15分. On the other hand, how about the examples used pum? 5:30 in Japanese, 5時30分. Second example used pum. 5:13 in Japanese, 5時13分. Look at the difference. 5:15, 5時15分. 5:30, 5時30分. 5:13, 5時13分. Did you find out the rules? Let's check the answer. The answer is, look at the letter before whom or pum. If it is small ts or n, for example, 30 or 13, we put pum. For example, 30分 or 13分. Other than that, like 15, we use all whom. For example, 15分. Do you understand? So let's practice. First, what 33 in Japanese? 2. What 250 in Japanese? The answer is, first, 3時3分. Second, 2時50分. How was your answer? If you have some questions, please ask me as a comment. Another important phrase, HUN. We say, for example, 5:30, 5:30 in Japanese, 5時30分. Or we can say 5時半. We often use this word, so please memorize. Thank you for watching. I hope you can learn from my video. See you soon.